Our story for this week is titled Bear Snores On, and it's by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. I just want you to look at this first page. The illustration shows us some of our amazing words of the week. The snow shows us winter. The story takes place, or this picture takes place in the woods, and there's a cave. You could even say that maybe with this wind and the snow blowing, it's blustery outside. Look at all of those words on one page, just in an illustration. In a cave in the woods in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs and a small hot spark, with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chop crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. What do you think is going to happen? There's a small pepper fleck. That means like a little piece of pepper makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. He is not happy to see these other animals in his lair. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look see, We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Thanks for listening to this story. In our Reader's Writer's Notebook coming up tomorrow, you get to draw one of these pages from the book. So if you need to pick a page, you can go through and read this again and try to remember it for tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll be showing some of these tomorrow with that activity too. Thanks for listening.